Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with free video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your math sample paper with solutions.
Sample paper 3, class 4. Question 1. What is the sum of first 20 natural numbers? Formula for the sum of first n natural numbers is given by Sn is equal to n plus 1 by 2 for n is equal to 20. The sum is S20 is equal to 20 plus 1 on 2. That is equal to 20 into 21 upon 2. That is equal to 210. Answer is A, 210. Question 2. Which number is 3 less than the smallest 3-digit number? Smallest 3-digit number is 100. So 3 less than 100 is 100 minus 3. That is 97. That is option A. Question 3. Which of the following is a prime number? A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that has no positive divisor other than 1 and itself. From the given options, 97 is a prime number. Question 4. What is the Roman numeral for 49? The Roman numeral 9 is written as XL, that denotes 40, and IX, that denotes 9, which is XLIX. That is option A. Question 5. What is it in regular numbers? MMXIV. M is 1000, X is 10, I is 1, and V is 5. So the number MM is equal to 2000. X is equal to 10 and IV is equal to 4. That is 2014. That is option A. Question 6. Convert the Roman numeral CXLV into a number. We know that C is equal to 100, XL is equal to 40, and V is equal to 5. So the Roman numeral is 145. That is option A. Question 7. A minus 25 is equal to 75. What is A? So A is equal to 75 plus 25. So A is equal to 100. That is option B. Question 8. 5 into 5 plus question mark is equal to 100. What is 5? What is question mark? So question mark, let the question mark be X. So the equation is 5. 5 plus X is equal to 100. That is 5 plus X is equal to 100 divided by 5. So X is equal to 20 minus 5. So X is equal to 15. Answer is D, 15. Question 9. Fill in the blanks to make the equation true. 6 into dash is equal to 42. So 42 divided by 6, which is equal to 7. So the dash C is equal to 7. Question 10. A train covers 360 kilometers in 6 hours. How many kilometers does it travel in 1 hour? So speed is equal to distance upon time. That is 360 upon 6, which is equal to 60. Answer is D, 60 kilometers. Question 11. If 5 plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 14, what is the value of x? We are given 5 plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 14. That is 3x is equal to 14 minus 3. Question 12. Find the missing number 1, 4, 16, 25. The sequence is in the pattern of perfect square. That is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. The missing number is the third 3 square, which is 9, option C. Question 13. What is the fraction represented by the shaded region? Fraction represented in denominator is the total number of parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the numerator is the shaded part, that is 1 and 2. So the fraction is 2 by 5, that is option A. Question 14. A rectangular field is divided into 20 equal plots. 1 by 5 of the plots are used for wheat and 1 by 4 plots for rice, and the rest for vegetables. How many plots are used for vegetables? The plots used for wheat is 1 by 5 into 20, that is equal to 4. And the plots used for rice is 1 by 4 into 20, that is equal to 5. So the plots used for rice and wheat together is 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9. So the plots for vegetable will be total plots, that is 20, minus plots used for wheat and rice, that is 9, which is equal to 11. So the answer is B, 11. Question 15. A tank can hold 100 liters of water. It is currently 3 by 5 full. How many more liters of water are needed to fill the tank? The current volume is 3 by 5 into 100, that is 60. The remaining capacity is total capacity minus filled capacity, that is equal to 40. And option B, 40. Question 16. A class has 40 students. 3 by 8 of the students are girls. How many more boys and girls are there in the class? Total number of girls is 3 by 8 into 40, that is equal to 15. So the number of boys is 40 minus 15, that is equal to 25. The difference between number of boys and number of girls is 25 minus 15, that is equal to 10. That is option B. Question 17. A rope is 30 meters long. 2/3 of the rope is used to tie a tent, and the remaining is cut into 4 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece? The length used is 2 by 3 into 30, that is equal to 20. The remaining length is 30 minus 20, that is equal to 10. The remaining piece is cut into 4 equal parts. So the length of each piece will be 10 divided by 4, which is equal to 2.5. That is answer option A, 2.5. Question 18. A farmer Question 18. A farmer harvested 90 kgs of vegetables. He sold 2 by 9 of the vegetables at the market and used 1 by 3 for his household. How many kilograms of vegetable are left? The total fraction used and sold is 2 by 9 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 5 by 9. The fraction left is 1 minus 5 by 9, that is equal to 4 by 9. The weight left is 4 by 9 into 90, that is equal to 40. Answer is C, 40 kgs. Question 19. How many millimeters are there in 3.5 meters? We know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters. That is 3.5 meters is equal to 3500 millimeters. That is option C. Question 20. If a bag weighs 1 kg 600 grams, what is its weight in grams? We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 1 kg 600 grams will be 1000 grams plus 600 grams, that is equal to 1600 grams. That is option A. Question 21. Which of the following is equivalent to 3.5 liters in millimeters? We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. That is 3.5 liters is equal to 3500 milliliters. From the given options, the answer is D, 3500 milliliters. Question 22. How many hours are there in 3 days and 12 hours? There are 24 hours in a day, so 3 days has 3 into 24, that is equal to 72 hours. Adding the 12 remaining hours, that is 72 plus 12, that is equal to 84 hours. Answer is B, 84 hours. Question 23. If you buy 5 pencils, each costing 12, what is the total cost? The total cost will be multiplying the number of pencils into amount of each pencil, that is equal to 16. That is option A, rupees 16. Question 24. The shown items are used to measure. The items shown are different type of weighing scale and they are used to measure weight, that is option A. Question 25. What is the value of D, C, 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 X, C in numbers? In Roman numeral can be broken down into D plus C, C, C plus XC. That is 500 plus CCC, that is 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300 plus XC, that is 90. That is equal to 890. That is option A. Question 26. What is the name of the largest chord in a circle? The chord is a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. The diameter is a specific type of chord that passes through the center of the circle and it is the longest possible chord. So the answer is B, diameter. Question 27. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 15 centimeter and width 10 centimeter? The perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 L plus width, that is equal to 2, 15 plus 10, that is equal to 50. So the answer is B, 50 centimeters. Question 28. A quadrilateral has exactly one pair of parallel sides. What is it called? The answer is C, trapezium. A trapezium is defined as a quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. A square and a rectangle both have two pairs of parallel sides, and the rhombus has two pairs of parallel sides as well as sides of equal length. Question 29. How many faces, edges, and vertices does a cone have? A cone has two faces, one edge, and one vertex. So the answer is A. Question 30. What is the value of Roman numeral DCLXVI? The Roman numeral DCLXVI can be represented as 500 plus C as 100 plus L as 50 plus X as 10 plus V as 5 and I as 1. That is equal to 666. That is option B. Question 31. The bar graph below depicts the number of students in various classes at school. The overall number of students from grade 1 to 8. The overall number of students from 1 to 8 is sum of the students from each class. That is, from class 1 it is 100 plus class 2 90 plus class 3 100 plus class 4 80 plus class 5 120 plus class 6 90 plus class 7, that is 70, and class 8, that is 50. That is equal to 650. From the given options, answer is B, 650. Question 32. If the farmer gives half of the potatoes to a neighbor, how many kgs of potatoes does he have left? Given that one basket is equal to 8 kgs, the weight of potatoes the farmer has is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 into 8, that is equal to 48. If the farmer gives half of the potatoes to the neighbor, he is left with the other half, that is 1 by 2 into 48, that is equal to 24. So the answer is B, 24. Question 33. Which of the following is greater, A plus D or B plus E? Calculating A plus D, that is A is 2 and 250 plus D, that is 350, which is equal to 600, and B plus E, that is B 300 plus E, that is 275, that is equal to 575. From the given options, the greater one is A plus D, that is A. Question 34. What is the median number of cakes sold? Each cake item represents 12 cakes. The number of cakes sold by each person is calculated as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 icons into 5, that is equal to 45. Mia 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 5, that is equal to 40. Next is 7 into 5, that is 35. Next is 10 into 5, that is 15. And 9 into 5, that is again 45. The ordered list of the number of cakes sold is 35, 14, 45, 45, 50. The median is the middle value in an ordered data set. Since there are 5 data points, the median is the third value, that is 45. The answer is C, 45. Question 35. Which is the correct image if the picture is held in front of a mirror? Question 35. Which is the correct image if the picture is held in front of a mirror? When a picture is held in front of the mirror, the picture is inverted vertically. That means the left is now right and the right is left, but the top remains at the top and the bottom remains at the bottom. So the mirror image of this figure will have 2 and G inverted in cross positions. From the given options, we can see that 1, 2 and 3 have 2 and G inverted. So 4 is not the correct option. Now, looking at the cross stripes and the vertical parallel stripes, 2 figure 1 has cross stripes above, so it is also not the option. Now, the cross stripes go from the point of G to 2, and in figure 3 we can see they go not in the right direction, so this is also not the option. So the answer is 2, that is B. Question 36. 7 widgets are arranged in a row numbered from left to right as W1 to W7. What will be the third widget to the left of 7th widget from the left end? The 7th widget from the left end is W7. The third widget to the left of W7 is found by counting 3 positions to the left from W7, that is W6, W5, and W4. So the answer is C, W4. Question 37. Find the missing figure from the given responses. In the question figure, we can see there's a cross box and the next figure grows one fold, and in the next grows the second fold. So in the third figure, it will grow the third fold. That is option 2. That is B. Question 38. Find the missing figure from the given responses. In the question figure, we can see that the 3 figures inside the circle, the square, the circle, and the plus, are rotating in an anti-clockwise direction. So, in the next figure, this plus sign from the top will move to the right. The circle from left will move to the top, and the square from bottom will move to the left. From the given options, the correct option is 3, that is C. Question 39. Number arrangement is given 3, 5, 8, 6, 2, 7, 4, 9, 1. If the first and second digits are swapped and the third and fourth digits are swapped and so on, what is the fourth number from the right end after this transformation? Swapping all the pairs, we have 5, 3, 6, 8, 7, 2, 4, sorry, 9, 4, and 1 remains as it is and does not have a pair. So the fourth number from the right end will be 1, 4, 9, and 2. That is C, 2. Question 40. Which is the correct image if the picture is held in front of the mirror? Given that MN is the mirror image will be vertically inverted, but the top will be on top and the bottom will be on bottom. So the flag, which is the stick of the flag, which is now at the left end, will go to the right end. That is 1 and 4 is not the option. The word Jack written on the flag will also invert, that vertically, not horizontally. So 2 is not the answer. Answer is 3. That is C.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.